Hello and good afternoon. It's 3:30 on the clock. 26th of the May 2025. I'm in the place of this is the place of my heritage, Kashmir, and I am right now in the heart of the city, uh, and this is River Jhelum. You could see it looks in a good shape today, and as you must have seen in the video, the mountain in the foreground, and at the feet of the mountain, you see this beautiful river, which has a history, like many other rivers in Kashmir, including the Dal Lake and Wular Lake. As simple as it may sound or it may appear, it's very beautiful, but that's not the case always, especially in last uh, a decade or so. Climate crisis is lurking large, not in the rest of the world, but in Kashmir as well. This is a very remotely spoken about subject in the valley, and it saddens me because I come from this place. It saddens me even more to see the naivety and a lack of interest vis-a-vis preservation of the environment and climate crisis. The recent study tells us that the wetlands, the water bodies are in a serious jeopardy. And in the next uh, 5 or 10 years, it's going to be even more serious an issue. Um, and this is a question mark that we all have to be conscious about, not just the administration and the people and the rooms uh, that matter most, but to the common man as well. As is this what we are going to leave for our generations to follow? My guess is as good as yours. This is a small contribution as an independent filmmaker. I have switched from the commercial cinema to independent films only because I think these issues deserve more attention than anything else, like, for example, climate crisis and mental health. But I don't want to sway away from the topic. My topic today is climate crisis. And yes, it's a major issue. And this is posing a huge threat to the environment everywhere and in Kashmir as well. So I'll come up with more videos and awareness videos, and obviously, being a filmmaker, a sort of a docu feature as well regarding this existential menace. For now, I'm going to leave you with this beautiful view and with the hope that uh, we will come up with a combined effort and make sure that uh, we'll do our best to make this world more livable and safe so far as environment is concerned. I'm Tufail Rigu signing off. Thank you and have a great day.